Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, CD player, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.